gotta go outside.
You need to go.
Yep. Whenever I had a puppy, I literally had to wake up 2-3 times a night to let him out. Oh, shit. That scared the fuck out of me, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, shit. No, 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 no. Dude, what in the fuck are you? No, dude, did they kill the puppy? No, no! I don't want to see that. Oh, no. Oh my god, that is so sad.
I'm worried about Daisy. Is Daisy taken care of?
Oh, shit.
What the fuck?
Ouch! Dude!
No, come, no, 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 no. Did they do that to the dog?
Mm-hmm.
Why would you do that? Why? 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 Did they kill the dog? Did they kill the dog?
Ah! Ah! What the fuck? No! Yeah. Fuck these guys up, please. Fuck you, Theon.
Yay! I'm getting attached to this dog, man. This is bad.
You need to go.
They seriously broke into his house just because of the car? Really? Really? Because of the car? No, leave the dog alone. Oh, are they gonna kill the dog as a puppy? I thought the dog would last a little longer. All because of a car, man. All because of a car. You couldn't have let the dog live, really. It's horrible. At least, yeah. We gotta show your face so he really knows who you are? Really? That's kind of stupid. Daisy! They put Daisy right there next to him. So when he wakes up... That's so awful, even though I knew it was coming. That's so awful. Why? Why? It's like the last piece of his wife left. So sad. All for a car.
Nope.
Those Russian guys like probably followed him.
Oh.
I knew it.
Oh.
Wait, so the dog set him up?
Yeah, hang on a minute. Daisy.
Oh my god.
All because he just didn't want to sell his car.
Where are those fucking car keys? Oh my god. No, don't you touch. Do not touch the dog. Please tell me that didn't happen.
Now I'm pissed.
Did he just put a baseball bat in that dog's head?
No, he kicked the dog.
Is the dog okay? Oh my god, I've gone clammy.
Spí spokojená.
Oh, fuck off, you prick. Oh, the fucking dog.
I'm worried about the dog. I don't care about
Mhm.
him.
My thing just fell. Oh my god.
The dog's dead.
It's not.
The dog's dead.
He's not dead. She's not dead.